As someone who has tested numerous compact computing solutions, I recently spent several weeks with the Bosgame E2 Mini PC to evaluate its capabilities. This device represents an interesting proposition in the mini PC market, combining AMD's Ryzen 5 3550H processor with practical expandability and a fan-cooled design that prioritizes quiet operation. The first thing that stands out about the Bosgame E2 is its unassuming footprint. Measuring just 9x6x 3 inches and weighing 2 pounds, it disappears easily into any workspace or entertainment setup. The matte black chassis features extensive ventilation cutouts across the top, sides, and bottom panel, hinting at the thermal considerations within. Setup proved straightforward. The included Windows 11 Pro installation activated without issues, and I appreciated the complete absence of bloatware beyond the operating system essentials. First boot from cold took 12 seconds to reach the login screen, with subsequent wake-from-sleep responses feeling instantaneous. The 16GB DDR4 RAM and 512GB PCIe SSD provide snappy performance for general computing tasks like web browsing, document editing, and media consumption. Where the Ryzen 5 3550H really shines is in sustained multi-threaded workloads. Running simultaneous applications including Photoshop, a 4K video stream, and multiple browser tabs with heavy extensions showed no noticeable lag. The Vega 8 integrated graphics handled triple monitor configurations effortlessly through the dual HDMI and USB-C video outputs, though users should note the USB-C port's display functionality requires proper cable support. Gaming performance proved competent for older titles and less demanding esports games. Titles like Civilization 6 and Guild Wars 2 ran smoothly at 1080p medium settings, though the integrated GPU understandably struggles with modern AAA games. The thermal design deserves particular praise. Even under sustained CPU load, the dual-fan system maintained whisper-quiet operation, peaking at 38 decibels measured from 6 inches away. Internal temperatures never exceeded 65 degrees Celsius during stress testing, a testament to the well-executed cooling solution and quality thermal paste application. Storage expansion options impressed me. The inclusion of 2 M2 NVMe slots, one occupied by the 512GB drive, provides flexible upgrade paths. I successfully added a second 1TB SSD without encountering physical space constraints or thermal issues. The Intel AX210 Wi-Fi 6E chip delivered consistent wireless speeds averaging 420 megabits per second on my 500 megabits per second internet connection. Wired users will appreciate the dual gigabit Ethernet ports for network redundancy or segmentation. Port selection covers most needs with 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports and 1 USB 2.0 connector. However, the upside-down orientation of USB-A ports proved occasionally frustrating when inserting peripherals by touch. The front-mounted combo audio jack works adequately for headsets, though audiophiles may want to use USB or HDMI audio solutions. My testing revealed 2 primary limitations. First, the Vega 8 graphics, while competent, show their age with newer DirectX 12 titles. Second, the plastic construction of some ports feels less durable than the metal-reinforced connectors on premium mini PCs. During a 72-hour continuous stress test, the system maintained stable performance without thermal throttling. The 35 WTDP processor strikes a good balance between capability and power efficiency, consuming just 1822W during typical office workloads. Compared to competing units like the B-Link Seer 5 Pro, the Bosgame E2 offers superior thermal management and acoustics. The dual-fan design and thoughtful component spacing result in lower noise levels and temperatures under identical workloads. For business users, the triple display support and Windows 11 Pro licensing make this an attractive alternative to traditional desktop towers. Content creators working with 4K media will appreciate the PCIe SSD speeds and responsive preview performance. While not a dedicated gaming machine, it handles casual and retro titles competently. The lack of a dedicated audio output may inconvenience some users, though this is easily remedied with USB adapters. Build quality generally feels solid, though the plastic outer shell shows minor flex under pressure. The included vertical stand provides stable positioning, and the chassis remains cool to the touch during extended use. Customer support appears responsive based on user reports with lifetime technical assistance and a 1-year hardware warranty. However, some buyers reported receiving units that appeared refurbished, emphasizing the importance of purchasing through authorized sellers. For its $299 price point, the Bosgame E2 delivers exceptional value. The combination of Ryzen 5 processing power, dual storage slots, and professional-grade connectivity makes it suitable for home offices, digital signage, and light creative work. While not without minor flaws, it represents one of the more compelling mini PC options currently available for users prioritizing silent operation and space efficiency.